It is easy to predict that massive arms sales in region does not seem like a reflection of peace. Moreover, does not is a sign to be concerned here to choose the correct answer. According to the sense of article of English grammar, we can easily eliminate choice A and choice D because the blank is if following A as an article. So we can eliminate choice A and choice D. Besides, they are to be eliminated with respect to their meaning as well. Armed sales is of course an interlude to peace or an obstacle or occlude to this peace. Here we can see that the sentence itself is a negative sentence, so choice A and choice D are incorrect. Armed sales in the region of course seems like a delude means deceive or collude means conspire to peace, given us choice C and E respectively, so they are also eliminated. According to the prediction, we can now see that prelude as choice B is the only choice to fit the blank means introduction, and it is true that armed sales in the region does not seem like an introduction to peace, so the correct answer is choice B.